Welcome back everybody, Nick again at the helm. Let's look at getting an API method going for player spotted. So we've already got our table, player spotted. Can we do select rows? Select star from? There we go. What do we got here? We got a bunch of stuff. There's a lot more things in here. Alright, so we've got to set up that model.
There's more to do on this one.
Oh, is there? Yeah, I mean, yeah, technically.
Laughing.
I'm gonna copy it. Yeah, cool. So you can click and drag and go control and hold control on the folder you want to drop it into, and it'll make a copy. So now we can just rename this to, what was it called? Player spotted. Player spotted was the name of the table, wasn't it? Yes, player spotted. Alright, so what do we got in player spotted? We have level name. Is there some way to list these out? Result grid? No? Alright. Fine.
Oh, sure you can. Over on the... Hit that one. And then the columns out extended.
True. True. And scroll that down a bit. Alright, so what's the closest one to this? Well, I already copied my model, so I guess it doesn't matter too much. Alright, so we got click position. I don't want this one. I want this one. Let's get that. Copy and player spotted.
Which one did you copy?
Distance?
By distance, okay.
Player spotted. Player spotted. And let's put our stuff in here. So what do we have? We need to copy. So we don't have distance accumulative. Instead we've got enemy name and position. So we're just going to change these to enemy. Enemy. And enemy. I should have just copied those, but whatever. Public string enemy name. Get set. Go.
You're doing it now.
So we have level name, level version, client ID, enemy name, enemy position X, Y, Z, player position X, Y, Z, and counter. Cool, and Postune is still here, so...
Damn that Postune.
So, I'm going to copy... I guess I'm going to copy distance. So, so what are we going to call this? We're not going to call it player spotted because that's a bit weird, so it's going to be get player... Just player spotted? Yeah, get player spotted. Let's do get.
So we're not going to call it get player spotted, but we're going to call it get player spotted.
Yeah, okay. Well, I made a mistake. Nice. Player spotted was the name of the table. And level name, level version, client ID as we had before. We're going to copy out these. Put those here. Give me some enemy. There was a way to copy. I forgot how to spawn multiple cursors in.
Do you mean the Alt?
Studio. Is it Alt?
Press undo. Press undo. Press undo.
Oh, okay. Undo.
Oh, I just meant just undo. One time.
All right. Well, come on. So I'm gonna put player back here. So how do I do this?
Hold Alt.
Shift. Down. Down. Ooh.
And now you can,
Enemy. Oh, this is pretty cool. That was nice and quick. Was it Alt Shift, right?
Yep.
Cool. Done. And then we needed enemy name, comma, counter, player position from player spotted. That should be it, hopefully. Let's try that. Oh, I didn't. Oops. Player spotted. Nice. Let's give it a go.
Good pickup. I would have waited for everything to go null.
True. I probably wouldn't have noticed though. No, we yeah. I had that itching feeling. That was like I've missed something.
Just do a double check.
Yeah, pretty much. Get player spotted. What do we get?
Spotted. That's
what do we get?
Hey!
Woo! We got stuff.
Damn it, Jeffrey and Mr. X are spotting us.
Yes. forgot we called them Jeffrey and Mr. X.
All right, so Jason here. We've got this weird thing that shows it as a tree and a chart and a JSON input, all this thing. If you don't, yours doesn't necessarily look black with cool colors. Why does this one look so cool, Nick?
Because we have a...
Error.
Not an error. We have a plugin up here called JSON Viewer Awesome. If you're interested in getting it, it's just on the Chrome store, Chrome App Store. But it lets you do stuff like click on response. You can go through your thing as if it was a tree. It's purely aesthetic, but it looks cool. Oh, we can zoom out. How big is this? It's probably pretty big.
There's a few
It's
spots in here.
not too big.
We didn't get spotted that many times.
No.
Need to get spotted more.
Oh, no, we're too good.
All
right. Anyway, so I guess we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys.